Today we're looking at some VIVTONE hearing aids, 16 channels, Super Mini B. They're in-ear hearing aids. These were rated really high by Consumer Affairs for over-the-counter, moderately priced hearing aids. So I thought I'd try them. The rechargeable, super fit, smart digital chip, and howling suppression. And I'll go ahead and open them. Let's see what they look like. Same size. Activate your warranty. Precaution tips. User manual. Nice case. USB for charging. And here are the earbuds. You put them in the case. They're rechargeable. You don't have to worry about the battery. And they are really small. So I'm going to go ahead and charge them up and then I'll check them out. Two of them right there. Okay, you've got a cleaning brush. And I imagine, I don't know what that is. USB to USB-C for charging. And then you have your tips. They have several different sizes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and charge them up and then we'll get back to them. Okay, after using the hearing aid, I could really only tolerate it for about an hour. It's got an incredibly shrill shriek sound. Very, very trebly and shrill. I didn't like it very much. It felt good in my ear. I barely noticed it was there. But the controls, once it's in your ear, they're almost impossible to get to. And it's not like you just tap it. It takes, I mean, you've got to click it. So it's very hard to use the controls on these. I was not happy with these and I'm going to return them. For $100 more, you could get a really nice pair of hearing aids, and I'll have the link down in the description. I have reviewed them before. They were ELEHEAR. They weren't this type. They were the over-the-ear type, but those were really good hearing aids. These I would not recommend. So that's what I have for today. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.